विशाल जी, गुड मॉर्निंग. I am Nande from Multi Quadrant, Nashik.
बंद कर लेंगे.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Cosma Cluster.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. We are 16 so far. 10, 15 minutes. Okay.
Welcome.
Welcome. Good morning, sir.
Hi Vinod, welcome.
Good morning, Satish,
morning, sir.
Satish sir.
Good morning. Good morning
Good
Vishal.
morning.
भाई
कैसे
તમારો
हैं आप?
ફેસ નથી દેખાતો.
કોનો?
मैंने कहा कैसे
કોઈનો
हैं?
પણ નથી દેખાતો, મને ખબર નહીં.
No, છે તમારે સ્ક્રીન રાઈટ લેફ્ટ કરવી પડશે, I think.
સોરી.
Good morning, Sanjay bhai.
हाँ नमस्ते जी.
Namaste.
संतोष जी नमस्ते.
Good morning, namaste.
गुड मॉर्निंग. शानबाग सर नमस्ते.
नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते.
Hi Ashok.
हाँ हेलो.
Hi.
I am not able to see anyone. What do I do?
यू आर नॉट एबल टू
I
सी.
think सेटिंग में अशोक भाई सेटिंग में कुछ आपको चेंज करना होगा.
What is it?
Ashok.
हाँ.
Yes sir.
Ashok, disconnect, reconnect, then you get it.
Disconnect is it? अच्छा. हाँ, હવે
Disconnect.
દેખાયો. Now I can
no.
see it.
Good morning, Raju bhai. Welcome. Good morning, Pradeep bhai.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Ashok bhai. Ashok Sanwag
Morning,
bhai.
bhai. हाँ.
Ashok,
मनते
अबे
ज्वाइन.
दिखाई? बूटा सर दिख रहा है क्या?
हाँ.
दिख रहा है जी. हम दिख रहा है क्या आपको?
अरे अभी दिख रहे हैं अभी.
नहीं नहीं.
और
अभी दिख रहा है.
आप तो यार सुपर ह्यूमन हो.
नहीं सर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आपने सब
Everyone can
बनाया.
see. Why not? और बाकी
अशोक.
कैसे चल रहा है?
हाँ है सर चल रहा है. अभी तो बंद ही है ना सर सबका.
कल से चालू कर रहे हो क्या है?
हाँ कल से तो नहीं चालू करने का. विल वेट एंड वॉच फॉर couple of days and then take a decision on that actually.
Welcome, Anand bhai. Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
good morning.
Everybody, good morning. जॉर्ज क्या बोलते हैं उसके हिसाब से चालू करने का है कल.
हाँ.
लैंटेक का जॉर्ज ने चालू किया ना सिल्वा
हाँ.
साहब.
हाँ. हाँ.
वो क्या उसके हिसाब लेना.
But they are in green zone, ना?
यस सर, ग्रीन जोन है सर,
हाँ
ग्रीन जोन में हूँ।
They have the floor.
हाँ, they are in green zone, so that makes the difference.
यस,
They
वी
are
आर इन
in
ग्रीन
green
जोन
zone.
सर।
What about Rabale? Rabale is what, red?
Rabale is red.
Entire Western Maharashtra is red only. Palghar, Thane, Pune, Nashik, everything is red.
Hmm.
Sanjay, if everybody is there, you can start the meeting. Huh?
I'm waiting for Ramni sir to join. They are not there. It looks. Uday has come. from
Landtech
Bangalore.
is there.
Landtech
Yes,
is there.
Landtech is there.
यस सर,
Hanuman,
ओके, मैं हूँ।
Hanuman, Hanuman
आवाज आ रहा है?
joined or not? Hanuman he has not joined it. We'll wait for a couple of minutes because everybody is rushing to this.
What about Mr. George? Has he joined?
He has joined. Naji, he is there, very much there.
सर मेरा आवाज तो आ रहा है ना सर?
हाँ आ रहा है. We are audible. You are audible.
ओके सर।
Good morning, George.
यस, गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning. Welcome.
थैंक यू।
I am looking forward to hear from you.
यस सर, श्योर श्योर।
Sir, good morning, Vinod.
About 32 people have joined so far. So I think it is fairly good enough to start the meeting now. Admin, please mute others actually. I think they are all on mute or.
Good morning to all of you.
Namaste, Ramani sir.
Namaste.
Deepesh he has joined actually. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Good morning.
Okay. Namaste ji, namaste. Sahita sahab, namaste ji. No. Sir, let us begin the meeting. Good morning to everyone. It is a great pleasure to welcome all of you for this Zoom meeting, and all of you are attending it on regular basis. It gives more pleasure to Cosmo people. Every time the strength is increasing. Initially it started with 10, 12 people, and then went on to 24, 25. Now it is 32. Last time it was about 40. It is increasing our fellowship among ourselves. More we meet, more something or the other, some miracle will happen. I believe in that. Today's topic is how to start our factories, and then on inventory, how to share the inventory among ourselves. So there are speakers. Santosh George is there. He is MD of Landtech. His factory is in Silvassa. I know him since I had met him in Thailand when I had gone along with Schneider for some Schneider program there. So he was a very humble and genuine person. I have met him, and he has invested a lot of money in his factory also. He considered it as an investment, not as expenses, because that attracts him customers as well as he retains employer because of his neat and clean factory. That's what about Santosh George. So now I'll hand over it to Santosh George directly. So Santosh George, somebody has to unmute him.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
आवाज आ रहा है सर मेरा?
आ रहा है जी. आप briefly introduce about yourself once again and then take the.
Okay. सर मेरा फैक्ट्री है लैंडटेक टेक्नोलॉजीज. ये सिलवासा में है. सिलवासा एक यूनियन टेरिटरी है गुजरात और महाराष्ट्र के बीच में, छोटी जगह है. एक साइड में महाराष्ट्र, एक साइड में गुजरात है. तो बट काफी सारे इंडस्ट्रीज है, स्पेशली टेक्सटाइल और सब काफी सारे इंडस्ट्रीज है. अभी ये तो ग्रीन जोन है. ग्रीन जोन के हिसाब से हम लोग ने अभी एक परमिशन मिल गया है. तो बाकी मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन तो पता होगा ना सब पहले से. बाकी मैं फैक्ट्री कैसे स्टार्ट की उसके बारे में बता देता हूँ.
ओके सर.
ओके. तो बेसिकली हमको जो परमिशन 18 तारीख को लोग ने एक लेटर इशू किया था. आपको फैक्ट्री चालू करना चाहता है, कोई अर्जेंसी जो भी आप कर सकते हैं करके हमको लेटर इशू किया था. उसके बेस के ऊपर हमने एक रिक्वेस्ट डाला था एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को. तो वो लोग ने कुछ सर्टेन कंडीशन के बेस के ऊपर हमको परमिशन दिया है फैक्ट्री चलाने का. बेसिकली उनको एक रीजन देना था क्यों चालू करना चाहता है. तो हमारे कुछ 2-4 वेंडर्स है, सप्लायर्स है, जिसको हमको पैनल देना था, जस्ट लाइक लुपिन और सम फार्मा इंडस्ट्रीज. उनका रिकमेंड था, उसने आपको लेटर इशू किया था, वो लेटर हमने इनको सबमिट किया। सब ये इनका फार्मा इंडस्ट्री है, मेडिसिन बनाते हैं ये लोग, उनको पैनल का बहुत जरूरत है, तो उसने हमको प्रूफ मांगा, तो प्रूफ हमसे लेके दे दिया है, उसके बेस पर हमको परमिशन दिया है। तो लोग का ऐसा था 33% एम्प्लॉइज को सब लेकर आप चालू कर सकते हैं। तो हमने 54 एम्प्लॉइज को परमिशन डाला था, इसमें से लोग ने 6 आदमी को रिजेक्ट किया था, बाकी 48 एम्प्लॉइज को परमिशन दे दिया था। तो हमने और अदर कंडीशन था क्या इनका, एक तो उसके पहले हमने क्या किया था, मैंने जो एम्प्लॉइज से सबसे बात किया था, जो आदमी काम करना चाहता है, जिसको कोई घर में कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन या ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं, एक बार सबसे बात किया था, जो आदमी इंटरेस्टेड था उसको हमने इन्वाइट किया है, बोले ठीक है, वो उसको परमिशन डाल दिया है। परमिशन के हिसाब से उनको पहले ट्रैवलर्स पास इश्यू करना होता था, वो उसका टोटल डिटेल्स मीन्स उनका आईडी कार्ड से लेके एड्रेस है, आधार कार्ड का आधार नंबर, फोटो सब उनको देना था। उसका बेस के ऊपर हमने एक डिजिटल पास लोग ने इशू किया, ये टोटल 48 आदमी का, इंक्लूडिंग मेरा के साथ, मेरा साथ लोग ने पास इशू किया है, मुझे भी पास चाहिए था। व्हीकल का पास पहले लोग दिया नहीं है, बट बाद में लोग ने वो भी इशू किया है। और जिसका भी मेरे फिक्र में क्या, हमें ट्रैवल अरेंजमेंट हम किसी को दिया नहीं है, क्योंकि सब अपने गाड़ी से आते हैं, तो बाइक के ऊपर एक आदमी आ सकता है, उसको परमिशन दिया था। वो बेस के ऊपर जिसने जो भी आदमी का ओन ट्रैवल अरेंजमेंट था उसको हमने बुलाया था, तो वो लेकर हमने स्टार्ट किया फैक्ट्री। एक डिजिटल पास तो कंपल्सरी था, और उनका बाकी जिसमें सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का एक मेन क्लोज था उनका। तो मेरे लिए वो इतना कोई बड़ा प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, फैक्ट्री के अंदर प्रेमिसेस मेरा काफी सारा स्पेस अवेलेबल था, तो मुझे कोई इतना बड़ा कोई इश्यू नहीं था वो मेंटेन करने के लिए। फिर भी मैंने 40-45 आदमी से स्टार्ट किया है, वो मतलब प्रॉपरली मेंटेन हो रहा है। दूसरा इनका ये चाहिए था, सैनिटेशन करना था बिफोर स्टार्टिंग फैक्ट्री, तो सैनिटेशन हमने कर लिया है, बिगिनिंग में कर लिया था। और वो स्टार्टअप पहले ही चाहिए, तो उनका एक इंस्पेक्शन होता था उनका डिपार्टमेंट का, वो इंस्पेक्शन करने के बाद उसको अप्रूवल दिया, ठीक है आपकी सैनिटेशन आपको हो गया है, आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। और हमने उसके बाद स्टार्ट किया है। और सैनिटेशन को डेली 3 बार करना होता है, मॉर्निंग में, दोपहर और शाम को 3 बार सैनिटेशन करना होता है फैक्ट्री के, टोटल फैक्ट्री में करना होता है। फिर बाकी जो हैंड सैनिटाइजर का जो सब जितना भी एंट्री या एग्जिट में उनको लगाना है, और बाकी जितने भी एम्प्लॉइज आता है उसको टेम्परेचर स्कैनिंग करना है, उसका रिकॉर्ड रखना है। तो हम उसको सबको टेम्परेचर स्कैनिंग करते हैं, उसका एक लिमिट दिया, इतना टेम्परेचर के अंदर आप उसका मेंटेन करो, वो मेंटेन उसका रिकॉर्ड भी रखना है। तो ये लोग रैंडम कभी भी डिपार्टमेंट से डॉक्टर्स है या इनकी टीम आता है, वो चेक करते हैं कि आपका ये मेंटेन होता है कि नहीं, वो रिकॉर्ड को कॉपी लगी जाता है, वो उनका सिस्टम में अपलोड करते हैं उसको। तो हम इन टाइम आउट टाइम दोनों में उसको करते हैं। बाकी ये जो डेली फैक्ट्री के रिपोर्ट का एक एक्टिविटी रिपोर्ट उनको देना होता है दो डिपार्टमेंट को, जैसा कि जो एक नोडल ऑफिसर होता है हमारा, जो 100 कंपनीज के लिए एक नोडल ऑफिसर ने ये किया है, उसका एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाया है लोग ने, उसका हमको डेली सुबह 10 बजे के अंदर जितना भी रिपोर्ट्स है, जो भी सैनिटेशन किया है कि आपने जो भी है, इंक्लूडिंग आरोग्य से कितना आदमी ने पहले लिया था, आज कितना ऐड किया, कितना डाउनलोड किया, सब पूरा डिटेल, मतलब करीब 8-10 पैरामीटर उनको डेली उनको देना होता है, मतलब 10 बजे तक उसको पहुंचना होता है, वो हमने मेंटेन कर रहा था। और जो रिकॉर्ड जो है ना, डेली रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करना होता है, मेंटेन वो रैंडम कभी भी इनके सीनियर्स भी आता है फैक्ट्री में। तो मैं लास्ट 1 वीक से मैंने स्टार्ट किया है, 1 वीक के अंदर कम से कम 5-6 बार तो लोग जो सीनियर लेवल के लोग भी आके चेक करके गया, सब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, सब नॉर्मली हमने मेंटेन किया उसको। ये सब मेन था स्टार्टअप करने के पैरामीटर्स, बट हमने सब कुछ मेंटेन किया, कोई इतना कोई दिक्कत नहीं आया ज़्यादा, बट हम लोग कर सकते हैं इसमें, कोई मुझे लगता नहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम हम लोग किसी को भी आ सकता है, सब मेंटेन कर सकते हैं। मेनली ये था सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के जो पैरामीटर है वो आपको सब एक बार दिखना होता है, वो आप कैसे मेंटेन करेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे क्या सिटी एरिया में नहीं, फैक्ट्री थोड़ा सिटी से दूर है, बट उधर क्या स्पेसिंग काफी सारा स्पेसिंग अवेलेबल था, इसलिए मुझे मेंटेन कर सकता था। बाकी जो डिस्टेंसिंग के सब मार्किंग जो सब करना हमने सब कर लिया, फैक्ट्री के अंदर भी अराउंड 1.5 मीटर के गैप में सब लाइनिंग कर लिया है, पथ एरिया है, मूवमेंट एरिया है, बैक प्लांट का जो वर्किंग एरिया सब जगह तो रीअरेंज कर लिया थोड़ा सा, ताकि थोड़ा वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, वो कर लिया था। ये था मेरे स्टार्टअप का, बट मेरे सबसे कंफर्टेबली सब लोग कर सकता है, इसमें किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं आना चाहिए। और एक है बाकी मैं जॉब के बारे में बात कर रहा था, जो मैं कस्टमर से बात किया था, जिसको पैनल का रियली जरूरत है, उसी का जॉब हमने लिया है। मतलब कोई इंडस्ट्री है जिसको पैनल का, मतलब आरजीसी से एग्जांपल बोला, लुपिन पुणे उनका प्रोजेक्ट मेरा चल रहा था, उनका फार्मा इंडस्ट्री है, वो सामने से बात किया, बोला हमको पैनल की जरूरत है। और मैंने पूछा आपका रेड जोन में है कि ऑरेंज जोन में, आप मेरे मूवमेंट का प्रॉब्लम, बोलो वो नहीं, हमारा उधर वो इश्यू नहीं है। फिर मैं ट्रांसपोर्ट के बारे में उससे बात किया, आप मैं बनाने के बाद आप किससे लेके जाएंगे, तो वो सब अरेंज करेंगे, ट्राई करेंगे, आप आपका सर्च ट्राई कर लेना, कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है हम अपना ट्रांसपोर्ट के थ्रू हम करके दे सकते हैं आपको। वैसा मतलब कोई 2-3 जॉब हमने लाइनअप किया था, स्पेशली वो जितने भी जॉब था वो फार्मा इंडस्ट्री का था या कोई साइंटिस्ट बना था, उसको मतलब साइंटिस्ट का जो रॉ मटेरियल बनाने वाला ऐसा कुछ इंडस्ट्री था, नाम बता रही, जैसे लुपिन हो गया, गैलेक्सी हो गया, ऐसे कुछ जॉब है, वो पार्टी का हमने काम किया है, ताकि वो मतलब एडमिशन को भी मुझे बताना होता था, मतलब आप जो जेन्युइन जो आप परमिशन जिसके लिए लिया है वो तो नहीं कर रहा है ना, वो था, तो मैं वो हिसाब से मेंटेन कर रहा था उसको। और जो पार्टी से बात किया है, पासपोर्ट वगैरह का भी कोई इश्यू मेरा नहीं आया, तो इवन मैं बोल सकता हूँ हमारा एक कस्टमर है वेलस्टन करके, इनका अंजार में फैक्ट्री है, वो लोग N96 मास्क बनाने का स्टार्ट किया है, तो वो इमीडिएटली प्लांट सेटअप किया, मतलब प्लांट ऑलरेडी था, इसका कोई शिफ्टिंग या कुछ करना था, वो मुझे 28 को परचेस ऑर्डर इश्यू किया था, 28 ऑफ दिस अप्रैल, और उसका पैनल मैंने कंप्लीट करके कल मैंने डिस्पैच किया पैनल, इतना अर्जेंट था उसको, और उनका ट्रांसपोर्ट अरेंजमेंट डेवलप करके दे दिया था, ताकि हम कोई अर्जेंसी के हिसाब से हमने काम करके दे सकता था, और ये था। बाकी एक ये देखा था मटेरियल की अवेलेबिलिटी, जो मैं लाइनअप किया उसका मटेरियल पूरा मेरा फैक्ट्री में है कि नहीं, वो चेक किया था, वही जो हमने लाइनअप किया है। जो भी मतलब कोई पार्टी बोला नहीं मेरे को सर्टेन आइटम चाहिए, तो उनको मैंने बात करने नहीं, आइटम नहीं, इसका इक्विवेलेंट आइटम डाला गया, उसका सब्स्टिट्यूट जो भी है मैं किया, मॉडल कोई भी चेंज करके, मतलब सब लोग एक्सेप्ट किया, ऐसे करके हमने करके दिया है। और ये लॉकडाउन के अंदर भी हमने 2-4 ऑर्डर्स भी लिया है, बट उसको सर्टेन टाइम दे दिया, जो लॉकडाउन के बाद ही हम उसको आगे करेंगे। बट कुल मिला के नहीं था, बट उसमें मेरे हिसाब से आप लोग किसी को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आना चाहिए, एक होप रखना चाहिए सब लोग, मतलब हमको आगे अच्छा से करना है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगा। आप एक बार डिमोरलाइज हो जाए तो प्रॉब्लम है, वो नहीं होना चाहिए, अब उसमें थोड़ा अलर्ट रहिए आप लोग सब जरा। तो ये था मैंने स्टार्टअप का मेन आइटम। बाकी एक दो मेरा सजेशन था आपको, जो सब ग्रुप में है इसलिए बात कर रहा था, तो हम लोग को इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है, कुछ तो हमने स्टार्ट किया है, इम्प्लीमेंट करना भी चालू कर लिया है। एक तो आगे टोटल एम्प्लॉय फैक्ट्री में आने के बाद तो उसको कैसे मेंटेन करेंगे, क्योंकि मेरा फैक्ट्री के जो मॉर्निंग 8 बजे से 8 to 4:30 का टाइमिंग था मेरा एम्प्लॉयज का, तो उसको थोड़ा मैं एलाबरेट किया है, ताकि जो इन टाइम 8 to 4:30 के दो लोट हो रहा था, मतलब 150 आदमी को एक साथ में रहना, ये सब करना प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था, तो मैंने टाइमिंग में तो चेंजेस किया है, क्योंकि अभी जिसका लॉकडाउन के बाद वो मैं फुली इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे। जैसे कि जो पहले 8 बजे आता था, वो जगह पे मैं एक लोड का 8 बजे, एक को 8:30, एक को 9, तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड कर लिया है, ताकि फर्स्ट जो 8 बजे आने वाला है जो नॉन क्रिटिकल है, जैसा एग्जाम्पल है जो सिक्योरिटी हो गया है, या गार्डनिंग हो गया है, कैंटीन हो गया है, हाउसकीपिंग हो गया है, इस टाइप को 15-20 आदमी को मैंने 8 बजे बुला लिया है, उनका आउट टाइम रहेगा 5 बजे। और इसके बाद एक सेकंड टीम को बनाया प्रोडक्शन वाला, जिसको 8:30 को इन्वाइट किया है, वो 8:30 के अंदर वो लगाएंगे, वो 5 बजे जाएंगे, 5:30 को जाएंगे। एक नेक्स्ट टीम है जो बस बार है, वायरिंग है, उनको 9 बजे बुलाया, वो 6 बजे जाएंगे। तो 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया, मतलब जो इन टाइम पहले मेरा जो 10-15 मिनट में जो एंट्री होना चाहता था, वो अभी 1 घंटे में डिवाइड कर लिया, ताकि आगे मुझे उस टाइप का प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा। या ब्रेक टाइम पर जो लंच टाइम पर जो हाफ आवर था, उसको 45 मिनट कर लिया, टी टाइम पर 10 मिनट से 15 मिनट कर लिया, वो सबने चेंज कर लिया, ताकि आगे से सबको कंफर्टेबली काम कर सकते हैं उस पर। तो टाइम मैंने पूरा टोटली चेंज कर लिया है। दूसरा, एक हम लोग अभी आगे प्लानिंग किया है, एक फैक्ट्री के अंदर एक मल्टीटास्किंग का एक सिस्टम बनाना चाहता है हम लोग। मल्टीटास्किंग मीन्स, अभी मैं मेरा फैक्ट्री के एक सिस्टम को बताता हूँ। टोटल हमारा फैक्ट्री में इनहाउस है मटेरियल, मतलब सब कुछ हम इनहाउस बनाते हैं, कोई आउटसोर्सिंग नहीं है, सिंगल आउटसोर्सिंग नहीं है हमारा फैक्ट्री में। इवन फैब्रिकेशन से लेके फिनिशिंग तक, टेस्टिंग तक हम लोग इनहाउस ही करते हैं। तो इसका अंदर अराउंड 10 डिपार्टमेंट मेरे पास, 10 डिपार्टमेंट यानी शीट कटिंग, शीट बेंडिंग हो गया, देन फैब्रिकेशन हो गया, प्री ट्रीटमेंट हो गया, पाउडर कोटिंग हो गया, देन असेंबली, टेस्टिंग, वायरिंग, बस असेंबली, सब डिफरेंट करीब 8-10 डिपार्टमेंट है। वो सभी डिपार्टमेंट अपना अपना काम, पहले हमारे क्या 2-3 डिपार्टमेंट था, हम धीरे धीरे इसको डेवलप करते गया है, ताकि अभी उसका रीजन नहीं था, क्योंकि एक सर्टेन डिपार्टमेंट को काम देते उसका एफिशिएंसी बढ़ जाता था, क्योंकि उसको इतना ही काम करना होता था। वो बेस के ऊपर हमने किया, तो उसका भी डिपार्टमेंट कंटिन्यू हम बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं। वो सर्टेन डिपार्टमेंट आदमी वही काम करते थे, बट उसको हमने चेंज किया अभी, तो उसको मतलब 99% वही काम करेंगे, लेकिन उसको अदर डिपार्टमेंट में कम से कम मिनिमम 3 डिपार्टमेंट से उसको काम करना होगा, जरूरत पड़ा तो। नहीं जरूरत नहीं पड़ा तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ताकि उसका आउटपुट अच्छा से हो जाएगा। वो प्लानिंग किया है। तो हम मतलब आदमी को मल्टीटास्किंग में डिवाइड करेंगे, जैसा हो सकते हैं ट्रीटमेंट का आदमी कोई असेंबली में काम करेगा या कोई फिनिशिंग में काम करेगा, वो सब करते हैं। बट स्किल्ड जॉब को हम नहीं कर सकते, वायरिंग वगैरह स्किल जॉब को नहीं कर सकते, बट बाकी जॉब में हम लोग कर सकते हैं इसको, ताकि आदमी के एफिशिएंसी बढ़ जाए, क्योंकि आइडियल ले रहे हैं। दूसरा एक तो हम लोग को एक गैप फिलिंग का भी बन गया है, क्योंकि फैक्ट्री के अंदर जितना भी एम्प्लॉइज मेरा है उसी को मेंटेन करना है। हम किसी को निकालेगा नहीं या किसी को जॉब से छोड़ेगा नहीं है, बट जो आदमी रिलीव होता है उसका सामने कोई गैप फिलिंग नहीं करेगी, ताकि नॉर्मली मेरे साथ अराउंड 5% एम्प्लॉइज ईयरली जाते हैं। अभी पहले ज्यादा था, अभी तो काफी कम हो गया है, बट अराउंड 5% एम्प्लॉइज फैक्ट्री से मतलब जॉब छोड़ के जाता है। तो वो 5% हम सोच रहा हूँ अभी आगे फिल नहीं करेंगे। वो जगह पे बाकी एम्प्लॉइज को थोड़ा ऑटोमेशन या जो भी करके उसको थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करके, ताकि उनको काम थोड़ा आसान कर कम करके उनको जो भी इंग्लैंड वगैरह जो हैवी सैलरी का जो सब कोई कम किसी का नहीं होना चाहिए, उसको आगे भी कोई जैसा फैक्ट्री अभी तक चला वैसा आगे चलना चाहिए। उनको बर्डन थोड़ा कम करे, ताकि बट हम किसी को नया ऐड नहीं करें, ताकि हमारा फैक्ट्री का थोड़ा बर्डन कम हो जाएगा। वो जो कम हो रहा है वो उनको मेरे एम्प्लॉइज को दे दे, ताकि उनको भी थोड़ा कंफर्टेबली वो काम कर सकता है। वो हमने डिसीजन लिया है। बाकी ऑटोमेशन हम लोग एक एक करके कर रहा है, मतलब सभी डिपार्टमेंट में ऑटोमेशन कर रहा है, ताकि वो एक कंटिन्यू वो मेंटेन होते रहेंगे। इसको ऑटोमेशन करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मैन पावर का मतलब यूटिलाइजेशन और वेस्टेज वो जो भी है क्वालिटी, उसके लिए ऑटोमेशन करना अच्छा रहेगा। वो एक ऑटोमेशन हम लोग फोकस कर रहे हैं आगे। और दूसरा जो एक और था, एक सजेशन था हमारे ग्रुप में, एक हमारा सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है, जो डिलीवरी का इश्यूज, क्योंकि मुझे आपको सबको पता होगा, क्योंकि ये टेक्निकल इवैल्यूएशन मीटिंग्स काफी चलते हैं, एक प्रोजेक्ट फाइनल करने में 3-3, 4-4 महीने लगता है। ये सब करने के बाद जब भी उनका ऑर्डर आ जाने के बाद उनका फिर नेक्स्ट डे चालू हो जाएगा, अभी मेरे को डिलीवरी चाहिए, वो चाहिए। तो हमारा ये इंडस्ट्री का एक कॉमन एक मैटर है, सब लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं आदमी कितना जल्दी करके दे। तो हम लोग ओवरऑल हमारा जो डिलीवरी टाइम थोड़ा एलाबरेट करना पड़ेगा, ताकि अभी हम लोग नॉर्मली 6 वीक या 8 वीक देते हैं, उसको 8 वीक को समझे 10 वीक है, या कम से कम 25 to 30% या 40% उसको टाइम ज्यादा पड़ेगा, ताकि उनको मेन से रहेगा पैनल के लिए इतना टाइम लगेगा। तो उस केस में हम लोग कंफर्टेबली हम लोग अपना प्रोडक्शन ले सकता है और मैन पावर यूज कर सकते हैं। अभी एक सामने बड़ा जॉब आता है, फिर हम ओटी ओवर टाइम कराना पड़ता है। मेरे सबसे हमारे ओवर टाइम का जो परसेंटेज देखेंगे अराउंड 30-35% कॉस्ट ओवर टाइम के लिए जाता है। ओवर टाइम डबल देना पड़ता है, तो और आउटपुट भी नहीं आता है, वो एक प्रॉब्लम है। तो एक डिलीवरी टाइम हम लोग सब बढ़ा देंगे ना, तो ऑटोमेटिकली एक्सेप्टेंस आ जाएगी इंडस्ट्री में। जैसे डीजी मैन्युफैक्चर हो गया या बाकी ये इनके एक टाइम रहता है, डीजी के लिए इतना टाइम चाहिए, इनको फिक्स हो जाता है, उनको पता है इतना टाइम आपको डीजी डिलीवरी के लिए लगेगा। ट्रांसफॉर्मर मैन्युफैक्चर है, उनको भी फिक्स होता है, मतलब सब लोग वो एक माइंडसेट हो जाता है, ठीक है इतना टाइम में आप लोग को प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा। वो माइंडसेट हम लोग को अभी लेना पड़ेगा इंडस्ट्री में सब, क्योंकि
हेलो जॉर्ज,
इतना प्रेशर डालते हैं फिर। हाँ सर।
हेलो जॉर्ज, अभी अपना जो बेसिक सब्जेक्ट था वो दैट यू हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड वेरी नाइसली। ओके, now depending on that, everybody will have courage to start their own factory from tomorrow. And it is nice that you have explained everything, how to get permission, how to sanitize it. One person has only asked, has asked that what type of chemical, okay, you are using for sanitizing. Okay, that you just put it, and what is the concentration, that you put it on WhatsApp so everybody will know. Okay, तो कौन सा केमिकल आप सैनिटाइजिंग, हाँ जरा उतना जरा आप भेज रहे हो। हाँ
नाम मेरे याद में नहीं है, बट
तो उतना ही था। बोलो। नहीं, बाद में व्हाट्सएप पे अपना ग्रुप पे डालेंगे तो भी चलेगा।
ग्रुप में डाल देगा मैं, चलेगा, डाल देगा।
Santosh ji, one more point. What type of permission you have taken? That permission, that photocopy you can put on WhatsApp, as well as the type of passes you have taken, and then recommendation letter you have received from your customers, like a pharma company, what they have written. So that we will also, those who are engaged with pharma companies, customer orders, so they can also ask them to produce such letters, etc. So just a format type of thing you can put on WhatsApp. Okay. And one more question to you is, you have all your canteen facilities in-house or you are outsourcing it?
In-house है हमारा, in-house.
In-house, okay. So you have no problem.
अभी उन्होंने बंद किया है, बट हमने टेम्पररी अभी जितना भी टेम्पररी आते हैं उनको बोला खाना लाना है, क्योंकि डे टाइम में उनका ड्यूटी टाइम है, तो लाने के लिए बोला। बट जिस समय स्टार्ट करेंगे, बट वो भी हमने कुछ चेंजेस किया है उसका, तो जो वो भी बता देता हूँ उनको। पहले हमारे कैंटीन के अंदर करीब टोटल 150 और 60 एम्प्लॉइज है, 2 लोट में हम करते थे, उसका डिवाइड करके 4 टाइम है, मतलब लंच टाइम को ब्रेक किया है, 12 बजे, 12:30 बजे, 1 बजे, 1:30 बजे, ऐसे डिवाइड किया है।
Staggered arrangement. Okay.
अच्छा कर लेगा। अच्छा।
Okay. Thank you very much, Santosh ji,
okay.
for your excellent insights on this. Anandji, take forward.
हेलो हेलो नाउ नहीं हाँ मैं है उधर सी बेसिकली नाउ हियर ऑनवर्ड्स there is very important software demonstration is going on. It will be there explained by Mr. Raju Bhai, and it is regarding that inventory जो हमारे पास पड़ा रहता है 4-4, 5-5, 10-10 लाख का जो डेड इन्वेंट्री रहता है, तो उसके लिए we can share that inventory among all. तो उसके लिए हम लोग दो बार उसके बारे में डिस्कस किया था. Now that software is ready, very much ready. It is made by राजू भाई. तो वो सॉफ्टवेयर का वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन देने वाले हैं. वो जब तक उनका डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन रहेगा, एवरीबॉडी विल म्यूट देयर माइक्स. उसके बाद में अगर जवेरी साहब रहेंगे जेनिथ के, तो दे विल एक्सप्लेन or they will ask actually about their first question. If he is not present, all the members are open for half an hour.
I'm there.
Yeah, you are there. So you will make the first comment and first question. Okay. Then everybody in half an hour will क्योंकि अपना साहब जवेरी साहब ने आपने चालू किया था last time. That is why it is a privilege to you for the first question. Right.
Thanks.
So now I shift the mic to Raju Bhai. Raju Bhai, please.
Can I start?
Yes, go ahead.
Mute all mics.
Hello.
Hi, you are audible. Go ahead.
Okay. Very good morning to everyone. Now we are starting presentation about the clearance of dead stock from our inventory. Orange Switch, India's first resale of clearance good in the electric market. Next slide, please. What is Orange Switch? Orange Switch is an organization focused on helping companies sell their dead stock in the electrical market. Most companies have 5 to 7% dead stock year by year. We are solving this problem by connecting sellers and buyers via our online portal. We pride ourselves on bringing electrical product from authentic sellers. At present, we are offering all COSMA members free registration, and then after we are planning to add more panel builder from across the country. In future, we are planning to add OEMs, traders and suppliers. Ease of doing business. With Orange Switch, it's simple to register, upload inventory and sell. Buyers can contact seller via email or phone. Environmentally conscious. Instead of scrapping the unwanted material, we are helping you sell it to someone who need it. By doing this, we reduce a lot of waste and help the environment. Next slide. Now I will hand over to Helisha, my daughter, who will explain the onboarding process. Vishal?
Yeah, she's unmuted actually. Heliji, can you speak, please?
She there?
Yeah, she was there actually. I unmuted. હેલીબેન તમારે ત્યાંથી અનમ્યુટ કરીને બોલજો પ્લીઝ.
राजू भाई हेली है कि नहीं?
हाँ है
है
ना?
She's there.
हाँ.
રાજુ ભાઈ I think she is not speaking.
ફોન કરું એને?
હા પ્લીઝ જરા એમને ઇન્ફોર્મ કરો કારણ કે આપણને 40 મિનિટ્સ 10 મિનિટ્સ લેફ્ટ છે હજી. So first session ma we can.
પણ એ તમારે લાંબુ ચાલશે, થોડું એડ કરવું પડશે.
No problem, we will reconnect it after 1 minute or 2 minutes break.
हाँ.
I don't think she is there.
Network issue, out. Network issue coming back.
વિશાલ ભાઈ.
हाँ जी.
There is some network issue. Within 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
अशोक भाई नमस्ते जी.
अरे सबका अनम्यूट रखा है. हाँ, she is there now.
हाँ
She is there.
मेरा ऑडियो
एक मिनट.
I hope you can see me now. I see my screen again. I'm very sorry.
No problem. You go ahead. We can hear you and we can see the slides.
Okay. So like I was explaining the buyer journey, one is simple. You just have to sign up on the website. Once you sign up, you will be able to browse all the products that are up there. And you will be able to search specific products as well. This makes it easier for you to be able to find exact solutions that you might require. Once you actually find the product, you can actually just connect with the seller using their email ID and phone number that we will provide for. And then basically you connect with them and you take the transaction forward and you can buy it from them directly. For the seller, the journey is equally simple. As soon as you sign up, we would expect you to register with us. The registration link will be provided to you as soon as this call is closer to finishing. The registration process, we will expect you to fill out information about your company. I have a prototype going forward in the next slide. After you register, the expectation is that you will upload the inventory. This is where right now we have an Excel sheet format where we've asked very specific details of the products. And then going forward, you will be able to do this directly on the website as well. Here, the interesting part is that once some of the part of the inventory, for example, is sold, you will have to manage that inventory as well in the background. For example, if you have 100 items of X product and 20 items of that particular product units have been sold, you can come back to the website and upload and say that there are 80 of those items left. Well, the buyer essentially will connect with you.
I think network is lost.
Network lost.
Yeah, we lost her, I think. You can proceed on the next slide, I think, Raju bhai. It's all members are reading. So
command is with her only.
Okay.
Command is with her only.
I
So
must
it
say
will
that this
come
is
now. Some 1 or 2 minutes it will.
this is a fantastic concept, Rajubhai. In what way is your daughter connected with this?
Actually,
My bad. This is unfortunate. I'm really sorry. It's been working very well all these days. I think it's just bad internet. I hope I'm audible.
Yeah.
Yes.
You are. You
Very
go ahead.
sorry, everybody.
No
It's a
problem.
very
Go ahead.
clear. So all these details basically help you become, it's easier for buyers to understand your company's history and background and how legitimate the seller is. So it's interesting, like as soon as you have access to this, please fill this out. As next step, we can upload inventory on our website. So I will also show you the process. Uploading inventory will look like this, where we have an Excel sheet here. I hope you can see my Excel. I have filled out a sample over here, which is company name, serial number, the product. Over here, you'll be able to also identify which type of product you're adding. After that, we go to product name, the description, which is important so that people can find exact solutions. Catalog number, because everybody does tend to search using catalog details. Quantity that you have available, manufacturing date, which is easy for the consumer to understand how old or new the product is. A test certificate, if you have one or you don't, you can specify that. Offering a price, if you want to give it at a discounted price or if you want to give it at a clearance price, given that this might be an older product, that's your choice. Packaging and delivery, again, you can choose if you will bear the cost for this or the brand will or the buyer will. Applicable tax typically would be GST. Where the stock is available is easy, again, for the buyer to understand if it is in their city or it's coming from some other city. Payment terms mutually decided between you and the buyer. Delivery time, again, it is great as soon as you can deliver, but up to you what is most feasible. Photo is something that we will build functionality for going forward. You will be directly able to upload it through your profile onto our backend. And remarks is good so that again the buyer knows if the product is in good condition, if the product has some wear and tear, and what is the best way to for them to be able to browse through the product. So that's on the product front. Since coming back here, we talk about, that's the website. This is a prototype of what it can look like. So people will be able to search products on here. Buyers and sellers will have their own login, and the categories will be available as soon as people start uploading their inventory. And I will hand it over to Raju bhai again to take you through the current offer that we have.
We will offer Cosmo members free sign up to all the website. Welcome to register with us uploading your product. We have exciting opportunity all of you to please visit our website and register with us. In future, we will keep you updated with more development and so on. I want to thank Kaji Sahib for his constant encouraging and support to make Orange Switch. I would like to thank Anand Jayawant and Vishal Bhai for giving me opportunity to take all Cosmo members Orange Switch. Hope you all like our product, and we are looking forward for working with you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Raju.
Thank you, Raju.
Hello,
So,
this is
Raju bhai.
Anand Jayawant. हाँ सतीश सर बात कीजिए.
Raju bhai, we wish you good luck, but hurry up now. We are all in a hurry to offload our inventories because we will need money as soon as we start our operation to pay to our workmen, to pay for our raw materials.
Yes, Eli can answer this.
So we are all in a hurry. Hurry up. That's all I would say. Okay, and best of luck.
Now it is
Whatever
ready. Sir, it is ready.
Whatever support you want from Cosmo, please feel free.
Yes, thank you. This is what the website
Anand.
looks like.
हाँ बोलो.
And you
जरा उनको जरा बात करने का है. You can continue. Elise want to talk actually. Just continue, Elise.
Yeah, I just want to show you what
Hello?
the website looks like. I
Yeah,
hope
go
you
ahead.
can see the website.
Yeah, we can see.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's very simple. You can register over here. Once you click here, the form will open up, and this form is what you can fill up today itself. So we can share the link with you again on WhatsApp, and we can share it with you on the chat box over here. Please start registering, and once you register here, you will get an inventory link in your inbox, and that inventory link is where you can start uploading, which is this Excel sheet that I took you through earlier.
Can you repeat the website address?
Orange
Website address is www.
OrangeSwitch.in.
Yes. www.orangeswitch.in. I have also
Share
uploaded
the
in the
slide.
chat.
Eli, share the slide.
Yes,
in the-
I've shared it in the chat box.
Yeah.
Can you share the website
Website will be
on the Cosmo group?
yeah, we
Yes.
will share that. Don't worry. Raju bhai will share with us on WhatsApp group. Don't worry, sir.
Any question answer?
So now the questions will be started with the very start from
Hello.
Zenith.
Yeah.
Then all will continue.
Yeah. See, Heli, it's a
Please.
nice. Yeah, Heli. Hello. Audible? My voice is audible?
Yes, Javeri sir.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
Heli, it's a
audible.
nice software you have developed. The thing is now, see, search engine should be user friendly. Suppose if I want a ACB, a 3-pole ACB, 1600 ampere with so and so electrical route, manual route. So if that search engine, if you can make it powerful, because see, from all over India, because this software is all are going to be registered in this. So maybe in future, after a year or so, we'll find thousands of items. So it will be very laborious to search the items. So you can create a page on which we can write our criteria that this is what I want, and the items can be listed like a Google site. Just write your criteria, and your items will come on the front page, like make, type of ACB, model number. Model number is not required, but type of ACB and control voltage, what is available, 3-pole, 4-pole. So those items are available. And if we specify make, like if I want Schneider only, because see, other items are there in stock, but I don't want those because see, my customer is not specified. So if I mention Schneider, all Schneider ACBs will be available. So that search engine should be powerful. Okay. Otherwise, thousands of items to refer, it will be very laborious, and nobody will go into that later on. So if search engine, you can make it powerful, so that whatever I want, if that is only visible, that will be more easy. And maybe in future, in my free time, if I want to see all the items, that also should be possible, which is already I think it is there. Now second thing was, every 3 months or 6 months, this item should get deleted automatically. Because what happens now, say suppose that transaction is done. Okay, now transaction is done, then what will happen, that people will not see, once my transaction is, I am not bothered to delete from the website. See, it is normal general tendency. Okay, now those items are appearing, and thousands of items are appearing. So we should have a criteria that for the 3 months we will be keeping this item on the website. If you want to renew, then person has to go in that and renew the item. Eli, just let me complete. So if you want to renew this item, you have to go on website and renew the item. Otherwise, what will happen, that item, that transaction is already done, and unnecessarily we are contacting person, and then later on he says that my items are sold. So this facility should be there.
Correct. That's accurate.
Otherwise, he will be contacted.
Yeah, you're right. It has to become easy for people to search, and our job is to make sure that we facilitate that. So the way the
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, Eli.
I think.
Eli, can you hear us?
No, she had some network issue, I think.
So Raju bhai, see, basically idea is that every 3 months person has to go on website and see that he is renewing the thing. Otherwise, what will happen? Because in this software, all those items will be available which are non-standard, or it is very difficult to dispose of easily in our factory.
Yeah.
So all such items will be involved. Okay.
Yeah, Rakesh bhai, we can archive that item with certain period, so that user can archive item can be restored by user itself intentionally. Otherwise, it is archived and not showing in general search criteria.
Correct.
That facility can be designed.
Because see, many items will be developed. I mean, over a period, you will find thousands of items in the software. So then it should not happen that every time it becomes laborious for everyone to search the things. And the genuine person who wants to sell, he is not able to sell because people are because of thousands of other items. So if the search engine is very powerful, then it is very easy to dispose of the items. And main thing is to delete it every 3 months or 6 months, whatever period we decide.
Yeah, okay, yeah, exactly. And we are not deleting, we are just archiving that item so that if seller want to restore that, he can restore it.
Yeah, he can. Yeah, correct.
Exactly.
This is what my suggestion was. Later, all people are there.
We definitely take care of these and implement within, I think, week or so. Sure.
Correct.
By the way, is Nikhil Shah, who is answering, is Nikhil Shah, who had made this software.
Oh, great, Nikhil.
Okay.
Good.
I think
Vishal bhai.
others can take over.
Yeah.
Vishal.
Yeah.
Mr. Vishal, our timing, we will be, I think, very short of timing. We can discontinue and join again because it's...
No, yeah, it is continued. So we have to reconnect only if it gets disconnected. So don't worry.
Okay, then it's okay. We can continue then. No issue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rajubhai, I want to understand as to what is the revenue earning, how is it being facilitated for your daughter in this whole process when she's giving this support to the panel industry and other industries as well? How does she earn her money?
No, she is having, she is working with Times of India at present.
No. That is okay. As far as this software is concerned, is there a revenue model in it?
No. Then we will then sell to all other. It is free for the only control Cosmo members.
Cosmo members.
Now then, Cosmo members. Sorry.
No.
Then afterward, we will sell to others, panel builders, then OEMs, then suppliers, all. We will make 2,000 customer. More than 2,000 customer we can include. Nikhil, correct?
Yeah. There is some registration charges that might be depend upon time or for year, and so that is we are working on the revenue model for revenue model.
Ramani sir, hello, Ramani sir.
Yeah.
The thing is, if we get successful, then we also don't mind to pay.
Correct.
The only thing is, main thing is idea to make awareness, because from the first day, make it chargeable, very few people will be joining. But if once it is free, let people to understand the importance of the site. Once they find that now I'm getting benefit, then it is very all people will be paying whatever our reasonable charges are there.
Yeah, I appreciate.
It will be a subscription fee model.
My question is, data is going to be, if it is only restricted to Cosmo member, data will be less actually. So that will become a sharing among ourselves. If data is open to everyone, all trader, dealer, everybody will put their stock in that. So it becomes difficult.
Yes. Right. Basically, idea is that only. Basically, that is idea. And another thing, जब आपका जो पेज आएगा जिसमें आपने आपका आइटम डाला है, उसके नीचे आप आपका जो एक्टिविटीज है कंपनी का वो भी डाल सकते हो. देयर आर सम स्पेस, रमनी सर, उसमें आप आपका प्रोडक्ट भी डाल सकते हो कि क्या इसमें आप डील कर रहे हो. निखिल, कैन यू एलिब्रेट?
So what we are looking at, this is at present we are providing solution for dead stock. Eventually, this is work as your company's catalog profile, might be work as. So you can list out your what you are deal with and what you are selling. That might also possible.
And we will expand it to other people. Right now, it's only phase 1, which is why we've opened it to the closed community. So the idea is to build trust and get credible sellers on it, so that everybody knows that, the people who are coming on board are actually legitimate businesses. Similarly, when we go to other associations and we start expanding our reach, we'll onboard more and more people. And that's why you'll be able to share amongst groups that are beyond this current pool of people that we have.
Okay. It is a startup activity.
Hello, Heli. Only my worry is what happens in electrical market. A lot of dealers are there. Okay, so this idea is basically for the people, for the buyer who get it very competitive price, and for the seller to dispose of the stock. Now, what happens in the normal dealers should not come and put their regular discounted items. Otherwise, what will happen that it will make very laborious for the buyer to select the item. The main thing is buyer should be benefited maybe by couple of percentage, and seller item is disposed of. That is the criteria. Normal dealers should be allowed to enlist the item on this. That is on this portal. Maybe another portal is there for the marketing purpose. It is okay.
Right.
Otherwise, what will happen? It will be khichdi type. It will be so laborious, because I've got so many items. I'm buying at very reasonable price. So I don't know other dealer to list those items, those regular items on this particular portal.
Fair enough. The idea here will initially be about excess and dead stock, and about the pricing aspect, it'll actually, the idea is that the supplier is completely in control of it. So the quality check is the total community's responsibility, where we're all making sure that we are keeping the sanctity of the platform at its highest value. And you're right, it should be more lucrative for everyone. and not get very difficult for your regular business or regular products to get affected, or that pricing to get affected. A point taken.
Yeah, Vinod bhai.
Can it be made only for exclusive?
One more question. Hello.
मेरा छोटा सा
Hello.
suggestion है.
Sir, whoever buys this software, they can become CASMA members, sir, so that our CASMA members can grow.
There are two Vinodji, so it
No,
was
no.
This is Vinod from
Raju bhai,
Bangalore.
Vinod Goyal.
This is Vinod from Bangalore.
My suggestion,
No problem.
my suggestion is there for them from the revenue point of view for the orange switch. Okay, when the transaction is happening, it should be between seller and buyer. There has to be certain percentage that the revenue should go to the platform. Could be 1%, or could be 2% of the total transaction.
I also do agree there should not be any free lunch like that.
Yeah.
There should not be. Let us give it very minimum possible. But there has to be something.
We will think about this.
We are giving a
Yeah.
decision free. We are giving the opportunity free. But there has to be some
Raju bhai, my question.
Yes.
Raju bhai, my question is, have you allowed to other dealers to enroll in this site other than the COSMA
No,
member?
they have to register first. You see, they have to register.
No,
first.
correct. After registering, a small dealer buy it from the COSMA member and sell it to other non-COSMA member. That become
this is some
the
this is policy issue. Yeah, we have to discuss.
That's what. See, suppose if you buy a cheaper material from the COSMA member and no, sir, I am a dealer. It is a good material. You take it to sell it to other COSMA other than the COSMA member. The dealer should not be a misuse of this inventories.
Right.
Selling it to other non-COSMA members, other manufacturers.
But there should
For
not be
that,
harm because
you have to update whatever your requirement. You should see first that it is available in our portal or not. So
No, in sometimes the same material should not repeat, should not come to us finally. It should not go to the other our colleagues also.
हाँ सर, उसमें कैसा है, आपका जो परचेस ऑफिसर है वो कितना कीन है वो ये आइटम को परचेस करने में. समझो वो जनरल उनको जितने रिक्वायरमेंट आती है वो इनिशिएटिव लेगा, पेन लेगा और अपने साइट पे जाएगा ये आइटम अवेलेबल है कि नहीं, तो उनको इमीडिएटली मिल जाएगा. तो बीच में सप्लायर का आने का भी कोई चांस नहीं रहेगा. तो जो परचेसर है
कोई सप्लायर आके खरीद लिया, मतलब वो डीलर आके.
अच्छा.
He will not be a manufacturer.
Unnecessary competition create ना हो.
एक डीलर आके खरीद लिया मेरा स्टॉक. एक डीलर रजिस्टर करके मेरा पास 10 एसी पड़ा है वो ले लिया है ना, 10 एसी भी लेके और किसी कॉस्मा मेंबर को भेज दिया तो
क्या हो गया? वो अनहेल्दी कंपटीशन ना क्रिएट.
लेकिन उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग, क्या कर सकते हैं उसके लिए?
I just want to intervene. One second, Raju bhai. See, all panel builders purchase it directly through dealers, or they negotiate with the switchgear manufacturer and then buy through the dealer. Yes. Okay. So all main purchase is done through dealers only. That is there. Okay.
Right.
So what is not there, what dealer is not able to supply us, if they say about some coils or some motors or some sort of critical items which are short of in manufacturing our panels, that only we will be looking into this. Rest of the buying will not look into it. Okay. And then what is left over with me in after execution the project, that I will upload on this. That's all. So this is basically not a buying activity. Buying activity is done elsewhere. Right.
See, Sanjeev, just I will interrupt. I have got 2000 ampere 4-pole ACBs lying since last almost 1.5 years.
Okay.
So,
That's fine, but
such items also will be there, and I am ready to dispose of at 15% lesser than my own cost price. But the thing is, I am not getting buyer because I am not listed anywhere, or I don't know any customer who requires this. Because in particular rating is not coming in since last 1.5 years in my this one. I'm because somewhere some specification is so it is like that. So such item also will be available. Some MCCBs, 4-pole MCCBs, 1000 ampere 4-pole MCCB, and we may be looking for, and we find at reasonable price, then we can go and purchase it.
Okay. But you know, every customer wants a brand new item. Okay.
That is
Every
okay.
customer,
But see,
right? Okay. And then whenever I have enough time, suppose let us talk about reality. Whenever I have enough time to execute the project, 1 month or 2 months like that, I will definitely place order with the switchgear manufacturer only. Whatever he will supply. While during the education of the panel board, one ACB he could not supply, or one MCCB could not come, or couple of contactors could not come. That I will scout into this.
But Sanjeev, if I am ready to dispose of 15%, 20% lesser price than my purchase price, then see, instead of scrapping, or instead of I am not able to dispose of, if some final manufacturer gets benefit and my stock is also relieved, that is then the those see, in coils and other things, very small items are there. Maybe revenue may not be much, but if
So
ACB all together, I can dispose of 6 lakhs material immediately, and because those items were cancelled in my project, and items are not repeating since last 1.5 years.
So you mean to say we have to? You mean to say we have to first go through this list, orange list, and then place order to the
see, that is your store. That is our purchase person or storekeeper will do. If anything is available, he can take the advantage, na? And both are mutually getting benefit.
That's also because you're likely to get a cost benefit here, because the supplier is very keen on giving it away. So that is the only reason, and this can be the frequency of the activity can be dependent on your requirement, right? So if anybody from your team who is actually the purchase manager and has the potential to get it for cheaper, they should actually take a little bit of effort to half an hour and see what is the best available in the market. So that is the initiative they will have to take from their end.
Actually, one small example I want to give you. I was having a L&T ACBs about 8 numbers with me. I had purchased about 2 years back or 1 year back for one construction company. That project got delayed because of a number of reasons. So when I checked with the inventory, the cost at that time what I had purchased, and then later in the current purchase price was lesser than the earlier stock price.
Right.
That kind of thing also happen.
See, now it is a buyer and seller understanding later on. Sometimes I am talking 15%, but if I am getting immediate payment, I am ready to dispose of at whatever the convenient price for both of us.
Okay. It is an excellent platform, no doubt. It is a beginning. We have to start somewhere, and then as we move forward, we will improve on all these things. Okay.
Exactly.
Whom to enter, whom not to allow, and all those things.
Yeah. Basis feedback, we will keep improving, and actually, your feedback is most important because all of us are in the market right now, right? So we can make improvements on the go, and your feedback is very, very valuable.
Sanjeev, I have one question.
Go ahead, sir. Ashok bhai.
Yeah. One thing is that we would like to know, is there any service charges for selling these excess stock through this channel? Anybody, the proprietor of the website or the customer or anyone else is going to charge some service charges?
I think as of now, no. These are free to all.
We'll allow Nikhil Shah to reply on that. Nikhil Shah, you go ahead and reply to this, or Heli.
Okay. How many people can operate this one company's account? Because in my company, I may be having 5, 6 people, 10 people, maybe storekeeper, maybe the purchase wala, the project engineer. Who can approach, or how many people can approach to my website?
At present, there is one login from one user is allowed, but we can add on more user if you require. And at present, there is no cost for membership. There is no cost for membership, and we are working on revenue model. So later on, might be some. I think that Vinod Goel ji said that you can charge one person or somewhere on deal price, and that may be work out later on. I think not within at least year span.
Yeah. So my project engineer, he can negotiate with somebody. My purchaser can do.
Yeah. So we can add 3, 4, 5 user if you require.
Yes, at least 4, 5
for
users.
one organization. Yeah.
And this is
So
going to be some
immediately
charges
that is
for registering for on website.
going
No,
forward.
at present there is no charge for Cosmo members.
Yeah.
For registration and even not for even executing the deal also. At present there is
one
no
more
charge.
question has arrived. That is, when you say that somebody display the material and I say, okay, I'm purchasing. Now there should be any fixed time within so much a day, so many days, he should take the delivery. Otherwise, he will simply block the material.
No, that deal is executed by both the seller and buyer. Orange Switch is not part of that deal at present.
It is only information platform, sir.
Yeah. We are just
Yes,
connecting.
that is true. That is true.
Yeah, connecting
Two
buyer.
parties.
And how to find out? Suppose if somebody wants Schneider ACB or ABB or L&T ACB, we don't know whether the 800 amps electrical operated draft type breaker is available. What do we have to put this as a requirement, and then it will search on its own that this material is available with.
At present, all the registered user are
we'll have to
putting
keep
their
on
stock. Yeah, putting their stock in our system, and who someone want to buy, he can explore and browse what is available on portal.
Then scrolling and searching on the portal is going to be a laborious job.
No, that we make it very simple as you use in Google. So that is the searching process.
We have about 200 or 300 members. Now 300 members, suppose if somebody have started giving this kind of an information, then that means roughly around
in search window, that let's talk that you type ACB, then the only ACBs are remain on screen what available, and then you enter any another parameter like that. It is 1 pole, 2 pole or 3 pole. When you enter ACB and 3 pole, only that stock is remain in your search criteria, and later on you can enter color or what parameters are there.
We'll be able to filter through product, through size, through color. Specifications is as specific as you want to be or as broad as you want to be, which is why the inventory will be tagged accordingly, and only those items that you are looking for will show up on your screen the more you search accurately.
I think this is the area where you will have to do little bit more. Presently, whatever the we have given looks to be more lucrative. It's workable, and many problems will get resolved. But there is further a lot of scope to work on this particular website.
True.
I have a question. Now, let's say a Cosmo member wants to.
Shakir Maran wants.
I just was curious to understand what is the what is the background behind this Orange Switch name?
So I can take one thought we had. It is basically, if you this was our creative thinking process. If you think of a traffic signal, there is a red button, there is a orange button, and there is a green light. So the green light is when you go, the red light is where you stop, but the orange light is where you're in the limbo. You are still waiting. So this is the stock that is waiting to be sold, unfortunately not getting sold. So we are in that orange space, and that's the name of Orange basically. And the switch is two purposes. One is the switch gear equivalent of switch, and the second is we're making a switch from the seller to the buyer. So we're transferring that particular inventory, and that's what we mean by switch. I hope this helps understand.
Very
super,
nice.
super.
Sakir bhai, please go
Very
ahead.
nice.
Sakir bhai had some questions, please. Sakir bhai. That's a wonderful name. The question is, let's say two Cosmo members want to communicate through this channel, and the high value items that someone wants to sell and someone wants to buy. So the transaction happens between the two Cosmo members alone, or is there a committee which looks upon the transaction and says, okay, this is an approved transaction? Or is there a committee and an admin right person in the committee who can govern that transaction and say, okay, you can go ahead? Is there something of that sort thought along software or?
So if both COSMA members are have profiles on Orange Switch, they end up connecting to each other through the product, then that's where Orange Switch is involved. However, the transaction will happen offline. The transaction will happen between two parties over a phone call or an email. And if two COSMA members are generally looking to connect with each other, then I believe there is an existing way to do that. But if one COSMA member tells the other that, look, I have uploaded my inventory on Orange Switch, please go there and see if it fits your requirement, that's when you can come and browse and look at more options of what that particular supplier and COSMA member has uploaded.
It is basically whenever you fall short of any material, you just go through that. If it is available, you can pick it like that.
The question was, the committee have any role in this transaction?
Anand Bhai, Sanjeev Bhai, he is asking that if any
No,
committee has any role to play.
No,
Absolutely. It is between buyer and seller only, and the only platform provided by Nikhil Shah, that Orange Switch. That's all.
Yeah, that's all.
Hello.
Yeah. Maybe in future
Hello,
they may not charge like that. Okay. At present, it is.
Here, Anand is here. See, there is only one thing. While registering, the committee in connection with Raju, I will confirm that the person who is registering is a member of COSMA.
Yeah.
That should be the only criteria of the committee.
Present.
And role of the committee.
Yes,
yeah.
Then so whenever the registration is been done, it will be in waiting, and it is to be approved by committee, and then only it has to get inside.
Exactly.
Hello.
Nikhil Bhai, I have one question to you. Going forward, this platform will be, you will create one single platform for only COSMA member, or it will be open to whole world?
No, at present it is for COSMA member, and we are thinking to accommodate more and more associations only, not direct retailer or seller.
Yes, perfect.
But this in this platform only COSMA member will trade, or other association members also will trade in this?
These others also, but restricted to the same community.
Okay, but is it possible to create only for COSMA member this platform so that it becomes very useful for liquidating our?
That also possible.
And then you can charge whatever is required.
संजीव भाई,
okay.
देखिए जितना हम लोग इसको स्मॉल रखेंगे ना, उतना अपना अपॉर्चुनिटी कम होते जाएगा. यू सी, खाली इसमें एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि ट्रस्ट वर्दी. आप जो मटेरियल जो सप्लायर ने, ओईएम्स ने या किसने भी ऑफलोड किया है, उसका ट्रस्ट वर्दी बहुत होना जरूरी है. आज के तारीख में हम लोग ने COSMA मेंबर्स है, तो हम लोग को मालूम है कि सब ऑथेंटिकेट है, कोई भी स्पूरियस मटेरियल वहां पे डालेगा नहीं. वो सब अपना एक इनबाउंड हमको पता है. लेकिन जितने हम लोग उसको ब्रॉड करेंगे, उतना हमारे लिए बहुत फायदेमंद है, क्योंकि हर एक, आप नहीं मानेंगे, रुहार चाल में इलेक्ट्रिकल मार्केट 1000 ट्रेडर्स, और हर एक के पास, सबके पास कुछ न कुछ मटेरियल आज के तारीख में रहेगा. एवरी ईयर हम लोग, हमारे जैसे छोटे कंपनी, एवरी ईयर मार्च में 1 लाख रुपए का मटेरियल हम लोग फेंक देते हैं. चैनल होगा, लग्स होगा, कुछ कितनी चीज होती है. तो ये सब जितने इसको वाइड करेंगे, उतना अपने को अच्छा रहेगा. खाली एक ही प्रॉब्लम इसमें आएगा कि ऑथेंटिकेटी कितनी रहती है. उसके लिए भी हम लोग ने कुछ सोचा है, वो टाइम टू टाइम हम आपको इन्फॉर्म करते रहेंगे.
ओके.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
हाँ जी.
Hello, I am Deepesh.
Yeah, Deepesh bhai, go ahead.
I have one question to Nikhil Shah.
Yeah.
During the registration, if you can add our business type also, like panel manufacturer or dealer or COSMA member, so during the negotiation, we can consider the discount, more discount, or to the COSMA members.
There is profiling of dealer is, the profiling of user is there, so you can specify or describe yourself. It is there.
Okay. Okay. If it is a dealer, he should register his name like a business type dealer.
Yeah, as a dealer. Exactly.
Okay.
We
Thank you.
have that provision.
1 second, Santosh ji, Lantech Santosh. Dipesh is from Kerala, Calicut. You can get connected to him. Okay.
Hi, Santosh ji.
You.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
He is a new member from Calicut for us, Cosmo. Okay.
Right. Thank you.
Mr. Santosh.
He lost. You are there or not, Santosh? Santosh is unmuted, actually.
Unmuted.
Unmute, Santosh.
Muted.
Yeah, Santosh ji, you can speak, please.
Santosh, you can address Dipesh. Okay. Once again, unmute.
Now
Otherwise,
it is mute.
No, he is muted.
Otherwise, it is okay.
It is muted from his own side.
Yeah, we are trying to add more members from Kerala. We are trying to expand Cosma to Kerala members also to get the benefit with the support of Sanjeev sir. We already started the initiation. That's only.
Dipesh, for your information, we have sent a mail and application form to all the 14 members which you had referred to me.
Yeah, I have seen that. I am one by one. I am trying to respond from each member.
You are in CC. You are in CC in that mail. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Sanjeev bhai, this membership, Cosma membership form, there are certain details which needs to be upgraded. Like, the like monthly membership is also mentioned in the form. And
the new form is there, sir. All updated form is there. We will share with you, sir.
Please, immediately.
Okay. Including this e-transfer details also. Okay.
Very good.
Yes, Uday sir. Tell me. You want to tell something to me?
No, correct. In Kerala, how many panel builders are there?
Actually, there are around 12, 13 leading panel builders are there, including integration. And some local manufacturers also there. They are only those who are doing only fabrication work. So there was core panel builders. There was one question from a fabricator. He's also can join in Cosma because he's not doing any integration part. He's only manufacturing the enclosure part and he's selling to others.
Okay, I will inform you about that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
On one-to-one basis, I will inform you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Please contact other panel builds to become a Cosma member, sir.
Yeah, sure. We are trying on that. Initially, we will bring some of them, maybe 8 to 10 people. And
Any more question related to the software, or any more question to Raju bhai or Haliben or Nilesh bhai? Members would like to speak, please unmute and speak.
I have one question, one suggestion rather.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sanjeev, I have one suggestion.
Okay, boliye, sir.
That we have one WhatsApp group of Cosma. Now everybody likes to suggest something, offer something, and some good morning also. What I was suggesting, let us make 2 groups. Maybe one Cosma market and one Cosma association, where only the administrator will be able to share the information, like this kind of a meeting, maybe something else, some other information, some technical data. Only admin should be allowed to post the information. And the other group, we can always have a market, Cosma market. We can do anything, any kind of it. Now people like me, if I'm not interested in that market, I can not take that, or maybe I can see and then I can just pass it on. I will only concentrate on to a particular Cosma's information or the data. So that no need to every time check. Now, particularly this particular program also I missed because there was a lot of programs, so I just open it and close it. And suddenly I got a call from my factory, sir, this is on, and then I saw Mr. Santosh. I said there must be some program. I checked. and I found, and then I got connected. So unnecessarily, I'm not saying the others should not be deprived of their the information or the suggestion, but only thing, make it a separate channel. I can join.
आनंद जी आप डिसीजन ले लो, प्रोस क्रॉन्स पूरा चेक करके.
हाँ, no, हम लोग बाद में वो डिस्कस करेंगे. Yes.
Sir, I have seen all the charts going across on this line actually. So we will take a suitable decision and then make.
Yeah, please.
There is a lot of disturbance.
And Kaji sir is always trying to discourage those people, but some are the other reasons.
Don't discourage. Don't discourage. Let them work. Put on a separate channel. Make it a Cosma market.
Already about 4 groups are there, sir. Now actually, one Cosma member is there, one Cosma is there, one Cosma cluster is there, Cosma board is there. So many groups are already there actually. In all the groups, the person who want to misuse this platform, and he is putting everywhere. On individual also it is coming, and all the 4 groups also it is.
So we are moving away from our agenda.
So there will be less interruptions.
Sir, we are moving away from our agenda.
Okay, we'll go back to the agenda.
Yeah, please. I have got.
Yes, Sriram bhai, you go ahead.
Yeah, Vishal sir, I want to ask question for Raju bhai, and just can I ask?
Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. First of all, congratulations, Raju bhai, Heli ma'am, and Ashwin sir. It is a very nice platform.
Thank you.
Second thing, I am not. My views are different from the president. Let me tell you very frankly. Because when the new order is there and when new purchase, if I have to make, then I line with the Cosma Brotherhood. It's my duty to check whether that material is available to my other friend, rather than giving a new order. Then only this platform will be helpful, and my other Cosma panel builders.
Can I interrupt? Because number one, we are debating.
Sir, let me complete a sentence.
Srikant bhai, 1 minute.
I am Srikant
bhai, 1 moment. Just let the Sriram bhai finish. Then you will be able to answer. Sriram bhai, please finish your question.
Yeah, please. Srikant bhai, I will take only 2 minutes. That's all. So
please,
first of all, if we check the stock and clear it from the other Cosma panel builders or our Cosma friend, then it will be in true line with our brotherhood, right? And it will help both in as well as seller as well as a purchaser. That is one thing. Then second thing, Mr. Vinod bhai had to mention that if it is a percentage is given to the orange switch, and along with that deal, if the deal is closed, then automatically by software, it should reduce the stock of the buyer, so that the other question will not come in the picture. If the stock is just showing, that will not come, because our deal is there and it is registered by the administrator of the site. Then by default, it will get reduced the stock. So I think that can be worked out, or think over it.
Okay, I agree, Sriram, your point. Before placing any order, we should go back to Orange Switch and check whether we have any junk material.
Can I request Srikant bhai
to that particular point?
Over to Srikant bhai. Thank you.
Our this thing is, you see, the whole consent over here is to get a particular issue where you say you represent our association such that stocks are available. The very first question is the stocks are available with us. Yeah. So you see what happens is there are so many questions later on that you see, even if you have money, you have material, but you can have so many meters, existing somewhere else with somebody, other people, and they do the business. Now it is okay. You let everybody do their business in their own way. But you see, if we are giving a particular platform such that this particular thing is available with us, you see, it always gets with those people who are buying that, we give them the priority. That is what has to be the concern. That is my say. Thank you.
Thank you, Srikant.
Bhutta sir, you want to add something?
Nothing.
Nothing. Why you don't want to take out your stock?
Trying to learn from everyone.
Okay, sir. Okay. Continuously participate in the meetings. You will learn too much.
संजू भाई मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ।
हाँ विनोद,
हाँ बोलिए।
विनोद गोयल जी बोलिए।
जैसे कि नेगोशिएशन तो बायर और सेलर के बीच में डायरेक्टली होगा, ट्रांजैक्शन तो उनके बीच में होगा, लेकिन जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ऑफ द ऑरेंज स्विच होगा उनको एक लिंक होना चाहिए ताकि उनको अवेयरनेस रहे कि ये दोनों के बीच में ये ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ है।
राइट।
तो तभी तो पता चलेगा कि ऑरेंज स्विच सक्सेस कर रहा है, तभी तो ऑरेंज स्विच की रेवेन्यू जनरेट होगी।
निखिल,
हाँ,
यू कैन एलैबोरेट।
तो टेक्निकली तो सही है, अगर वो फीडबैक मिल पाता है तो ज्यादा अच्छा है, लेकिन वो ऑरेंज स्विच के कंट्रोल में नहीं है। मतलब वो दोनों एंड बायर सेलर्स आर विश टू एक्नॉलेज, देन ओनली इट इज पॉसिबल। अदरवाइज बायर सेलर कैन,
आप ऐसा कोई सिस्टम उसमें डाल सकते हैं कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर को पता रहे, मतलब उसको अवेयरनेस रहनी चाहिए, बिकॉज़ वो बेनिफिट ले रहा है ना, दोनों जन बेनिफिट ले रहे हैं।
दोनों पार्टी जैसे लिंक हो गई फोन से या विद एनी चैनल, उसके बाद वो दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं वो विलिंगली दोनों में से कोई एक बताएगा नहीं, तब तक पता नहीं चलने वाला है। तो वो हम एनफोर्स नहीं कर सकते हैं, बताएंगे तो अच्छा ही है।
We will encourage either through email notification, or we can encourage through SMS notification, saying in case you have had success selling with some of your or had success connecting with the right partners, do let Orange Switch know.
So
but
that,
to Nikhil bhai's point, वो enforce करना मुश्किल है, हम definitely encourage करेंगे.
That facility is there, you can record your deal, but we have no way to enforce that कि compulsory you have to execute it is deal is closed or not.
क्या ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि जो नेगोशिएशन हो वो ऑरेंज स्विच के थ्रू हो?
हाँ होगा, लेकिन अगर जैसे ऑरेंज स्विच के पास आप बायर का और सेलर का दोनों का कांटेक्ट नंबर है, दोनों ने एक दूसरे को कांटेक्ट कर लिया, बाद में पोर्टल अपने आप में वो कंट्रोल कर नहीं पाएगा। ऐसा too much intelligent software is required for that.
We will think about this. It is a fair point. और हम सोच सकते हैं कि कैसे कैसे उसे एक्टिवेट करना है. Currently there is no immediate solution, but we can find out कि members कितना involved कर सकते हैं Orange Switch को at every stage of the conversation.
तो chatting अंदर आ सकता है.
We will have to find out the solution कि वहाँ वेबसाइट पे पता चले कि एक घंटे पहले किसी ने डाला था और किसी और ने ऑलरेडी ब्लॉक कर दिया है उसको, रादर वो 2 दिन तक पड़ा है और लोग दूसरे सोचते हैं कि इट इज अवेलेबल नाउ, आई कैन प्लेस द ऑर्डर, आई कैन नेगोशिएट. सो दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स शुड बी अवॉइडेड. इट हैज टू बी
इवन
सम कम्युनिकेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. सोल्ड आउट.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है. जब आपके पास 100 पीस था, उसमें से 50 पीस समझो चला गया, सेल हो गया, तो वो आपको इमीडिएटली 50 करना है वहाँ पे, नहीं तो बायर कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा कि भाई आपके पास कितना
मैन्युअली हैव टू बी अपडेटेड.
वो मैन्युअली करना पड़ेगा.
नो ये मैं बार-बार बोल रहा हूँ कि बहुत सारा वेबसाइट के ऊपर वी हैव टू डू लॉट ऑफ अपग्रेडेशन. There we'll have to make the system more powerful, more reliable, so that there should not be any confusion.
सर जितना आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा यूज करेंगे उतना आपको बेनिफिट.
Correct. Thank you.
Can I say something?
Go ahead, sir.
Yes.
Please,
sir. This is the first of the kind of effort done by anybody at least in COSMA. So my suggestion, firstly, it should be strictly restricted to members of COSMA only. Second thing, once we use this for maybe say 3 months or 6 months and raise our queries, the people who have designed the whole thing will get idea how to modify the software, and then it will become more useful. Initially, there will always be some teething troubles. You are looking for ACB, the website or the software will show you the list of contactors. Such things one has to be prepared for. Second thing is what point Ashok Goel raised is very valid, that if I have booked ACB, a particular make, with the so-called seller, that booking should be valid for a fixed period. It shouldn't be unlimited that it will now book, therefore seller is blocked and buyer is doing nothing, aram se baitha hai. So there should be some period that booking is valid for say 2 months or 3 months or whatever. I mean 2 days or 3 days or something like that. Am I right, Hedy? And
He is
third
there?
and
Yes,
most
this is
important is,
possible.
and most important is now let us start using this because everybody is eagerly waiting for such a program. So as soon as we all start working or start our days, let's start using this orange switch so that we will know what the bugs are. I think I summarize, but maybe if there is anybody else who wants to summarize, please go ahead.
Yeah, here one point I would like to say, Satish bhai.
Bolo.
It becomes a responsibility of the seller to make that or delete that particular item because he is the one who is going to load that particular list. So moment that transaction happen, it's that particular party who has sold that item should reduce that.
That's right.
Correct.
Deletion should be the responsibility of the seller.
Correct.
If you want to use, we have to own some responsibility and accountability to that.
Yes, certainly.
Yes.
Yeah, and we can just based on that parameters, we can rate the seller. How frequently he is updating, how the quantities are matched while he gets some order. That can be, we can technically add. Rating the seller.
Okay, great. Anand.
Hello. If the questions are over, let us go to Chetan Daria.
No, 1 second.
Chetan Daria for.
Anand, 1 second. Sudhir Hanvanteje. Hello.
Yeah.
You had brought your colleague director. He has to share anything over there. He is there.
Yeah, Narendra, you are online.
Narendra is there.
Yeah, Narendra is there. Yeah.
Hello everyone, how are you?
Fine.
Narendra Nande sir,
yeah.
You are a vice president of Lagu Udyog Bharati in Nasik. If Nasik has opened or something of that sort, you want to share something in this platform?
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Basically, a recent order that came out yesterday of Maharashtra government with the guideline of Government of India, that though the red zone is declared, there are certain concessions are given, like for two-wheelers, only one person can travel, and with four-wheeler, 2 persons with a driver can travel. So I believe this should ease the difficulties, but the other things like certain criteria of SOP, it is very difficult, but anyway, we have to start somehow.
Okay, Narendra sir. Anand bhai,
and I also appreciate this platform which we are discussing now should be useful, and we should use it actually.
Thanks.
Thank you.
We're looking forward to your support.
Yeah.
Chetan bhai Dharia.
Sir, Vinod here from Measure. Just taken a minute from you.
Yeah, Vinod sir, please go ahead. Vinod bhai.
How are you, sir? Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Hi, everyone.
Sir, tomorrow morning we need you all on webinar by 11 o'clock. Mr. Babu wants to share with you on some panel solution which will be benefited for all COSMA members as well as panel builders. So we are sending invitation. It is there in the link. I'll be resending it once again today.
It is there in the WhatsApp group. How many registration you have received so far?
I need to check, sir. By today evening, I'll be able to confirm it, sir.
Okay, we'll encourage more and more people to join this webinar. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Vinodji. I request Chetan bhai Dharia to.
Thank you, Vishal bhai, for making a nice Zoom programs. Thank you, Anand sir, to making proper agenda and giving chance to everyone properly. Let me thank Mr. Santosh from Lantec for giving the information from the lockdown what he has started his factory. So it's well done. We are very here in red zone in Bombay. Let me thank to Raju bhai and Hilly for that nice program, and I wish them very grand success. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. So we are concluding the meeting, sir. Anandji?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Santoshji,
Okay,
last
now-
request to you. Please put them on the WhatsApp. All the things I requested. Okay.
Anand bhai, yeah, Anand bhai, you want to speak something, please.
नहीं नहीं बाकी कुछ नहीं अपना मीटिंग तो हो गया है तो थैंक्स फॉर एवरीबॉडी एंड वी शुड कंक्लूड दिस मीटिंग दैट्स ऑल
Okay, we'll meet again on next Sunday, same time, same place.
same time it will these meetings will be throughout the year same time on Sunday.
Okay, meeting details
Vishal,
will be
once-
on Saturday. Yeah, Sriram bhai, please go ahead.
सर एक दो काम बाकी है अपना सर एक अपना फोटो लेने का बाकी है सबका स्माइलिंग फेस वाला उसका रिमाइंडर
सब अपना
सेकंड थिंग
One last request, Ashok bhai, Ashok Bhutta sahab, Ashok Goyal sahab, Rakesh Jawari, you please keep attending this kind of meetings. It inspires us to do more for the Cosmo people.
Today many cameras are off, so you know, Sriram bhai, I request everyone.
All seniors should be there on the platforms. They can share their reviews also. We can also benefit from that.
Okay, so Sriram bhai, I request everyone to
And Kaji sahab is always there. By default, Kaji sahab attends everything actually.
I request everyone to smile so I can take a picture.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Srikanth, our secretary, also attends actually, though he is not well.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let us
Thank
conclude
you.
it.
Thank you everybody for attending this particular conference.
Okay.
Fine.
Now it is our duty to use that software for 2 months and then get a feedback. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
See you then, everyone.